Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a guard from Squid Game. But before we get started and we start drawing, I'm going to remind you guys to go ahead and press that like button and press that subscribe button so that you don't miss any Daily Doodles. Alright, so I'm going to start by drawing it all out. So I'm going to start with the head. So we're going to give him an oval shape for his head. And now we're going to put a straight line there and a straight line down the middle like that. Kind of looks like a computer mouse. And now there's different guards. One has a triangle right here, one has a circle, one has a square. I think I'm going to make this guy have a square. So, drawing a square. Okay, so now I'm going to work on the hood area. They just wear like red jumpsuits with a hood up. You don't know who these people are. So it's a little bit spooky when you don't know who it is. Okay, now I'm going to start with drawing where the zipper spot is. Just be like a dark line. And shoulders. And what I do to one side, I'm going to do it to the other side. Now I'm going to give him hands. He's going to have his hands in like fists. And on his jacket right here, he's got a pocket. Okay, now the belt. We're going to make room here for these little belt loops. Okay, so these parts here are little belt loops. They're part of the pants. But this here is the belt buckle, and that's going to be black. Now, pants, pants, pants. Give him his legs. And he's got a bit of zipper poking out down for his pants as well. It goes past the belt. And on each side of the pants, he's got a pocket. And give him shoes. And we are done drawing, but we're going to add color now. So there's not many colors that you need for this. You do need black, but I'm going to use a black coloring lead instead of going in with a marker because I want it to look different from where from the ink I use to draw out the picture. I don't want it to blend and be hard to tell that there's a line here and a line here. So I'm going to color all this in with a black lead. Now, if you wanted to, you probably could have used a really, really dark gray marker. You could do that too. Or even like a black crayon. Maybe you could color it in with a whatever pencil you're using to draw. I'm sure that would be fine too. And color in the feet. All right, so we're done using the black now. Now I'm going to start in on the red suit. So I'm going to use a lighter red to put in some of the spots where the light would be hitting at the suit. So this is a bit of a pinky light red, pinky light red. Just going to put some of this color all over the place. And then anything that's not this color, I'll just color in with the red. Alright, so now I'm going to color everything else with my red color. And you can see there's not a big difference between the red and that lighter red I was using, but I didn't want a big difference. It's just enough. And we're almost done. And there we go. So we've got our Squid Game guard. Alright folks, so let me know if you enjoyed today's Daily Doodle. If so, please leave a like and leave a comment on what you think I should draw for the next Daily Doodle. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you'll be here for tomorrow as well. Alright folks, I hope you had a good day, have fun drawing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!